Think Solid, the solid surface solution for your DIY benchtop projects. Think Solid modular benchtops are pre-finished and come with a protective film. There are 2 ways to do a sink cutout. For trade, you'll need these tools. Start by marking the sink location on your benchtop. Tape down the template and trace around it. Drill 4 holes on the edges of your template and clamp your jig in place. Using a router, cut and clamp in sections. DIYers can swap out the router for a track saw for a clean, straight cutout. Before installing your benchtop, reinforce your front rail if your cabinets are 800mm or greater. Apply beads of silicone to the cabinet rails. Install your benchtop into place and secure firmly. Peel back the film. It's quick and satisfying. Apply silicone around the cutout and under the sink lip to seal the top mount sink. Install the sink and secure firmly. Wipe away any excess silicone for a clean finish. Allow silicone to cure for 24 hours before use. Think Benchtops. DIY made easy.